Hi guys, it's Dan Taylor here, and we're here in sunny Mallorca today. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so bright. It is actually me, and apologies for the glasses, but it's it's a lot easier for me with the glasses on. So thanks for coming. I really appreciate your attention, your time here today. And what we're going to talk about today is commercial property. Why commercial property? But before we do that and talk about commercial property and assets, let's just go back in time and just think, why did you start your commercial property or your residential property, your HMO, your service accommodation? Why did you get into property in the first place? It's a really good question, and you should really think about that from time to time. Well, for me, it was freedom. Freedom to do what I want, when I want, with whoever I want. And, the income is good, but really the key thing is getting your time back. The absolutely essence of my strategy, commercial property, is that it does give you your time. And really, in life, we all strive for three things. We strive for income, freedom, and impact. We all want to create income and freedom and impact. And after you get to the first two parts, income and freedom, if you followed Maslow's hierarchy of needs, then at some point you actually start to want to make an impact, a contribution in life. And you really need to ask yourself, is your asset class that you're investing in right now, is that giving you the freedom that you really wanted at the beginning of your journey? Now, we should always analyze and investigate the asset class we're investing in and thinking, could my time be better spent somewhere else? Or could I accommodate another asset class to work on the existing one that I'm doing? And I'm here to give you real concepts and insights, real life case studies, my personal case studies that are actual live right now today, to help you gain an insight into commercial property. So let's jump right in. Let's just think, why build assets? Obviously, millionaires, there's been a number of studies done. Millionaires on average have 7 income streams. That's the average. Some have more, some have less, obviously. And it's really, obviously, a necessity to gain freedom is to create assets that produce income streams. So in terms of, if you want to create income streams, the first thing you have to do is look at what asset class you want to invest in. And there's really probably 4 asset classes that's an opportunity. There's business, property, commodities, and paper. Now, commodities and paper is not something I'm a specialist in, and like Warren Buffett always said, you should always invest in productive assets, assets that are kicking off net cash flow. So let's consider this, business and property, and the one I like best is property. And out of property, I like commercial property best. So let's go through the anatomy of what an asset should be doing for you. And if your asset class is perhaps not doing this, then perhaps you should start looking wider afield and start perhaps having a look at commercial property to see if it's something that you could fit within your portfolio. So I've broken this down in terms of the anatomy, not for anything fancy, just so I can remember, to be honest. And the first one is A.